What if I told you that there is a country you can move to right now with your family all together? Tuition is similar or even a little less than the United Kingdom. A country where you can work 40 hours every week. No need for IELTS. This country is open right now, and this video is for you.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
Hello folks, this is your one and only Wakawaka Doctor. Always bring you the best gist when it comes to travel and migration. You know how we do it on this channel. All we do is share information that has to do with living, working, studying. So long as it has to do with moving abroad, this is the place you want to be. If this is the first time of you coming across my channel, I want to say thank you for watching. Make sure you turn on notification bells, subscribe, like, give this video a thumbs up, and share to as many people as possible as well. For those who have always watched me and send in their testimonials, thank you very much for the same. Two quick information that I like to pass across. I do this every video. Number one, I am not on Telegram and I am not on WhatsApp. So if you do find anybody saying that you should send a message on WhatsApp or Telegram, it is not me. The only way to reach me is in the description box of every video. A while ago, I wrote a book titled Move Abroad by Force. The idea behind this book is to help you be able to process admissions on your own, to be able to get scholarships, to be able to get jobs on your own. And if you want to be a part of this, all you need to do is check the description box. You can access the book. It's so easy, it's affordable. All right, it's Sweden time. Sweden is open right now, and I think you should apply. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step how you can get your own admission yourself and how you can process the visa as well. And I hope it helps you. Now, Sweden is a country in the Scandinavian region, very close to Finland, Norway, Denmark, and they're open right now. In fact, admissions open on the 3rd of June. Sweden is so good, as I mentioned at the start of the video, you can move with your family all together. If you've got a second-class lower degree, you can apply. Tuition is similar or even a little bit less to what you would find in the United Kingdom. Another thing about Sweden is that they allow you to work 40 hours every week. Now let's start with the requirements. What are the documents you need to be able to process your admission in Sweden? And take note of this, bachelor's and master's degree programs are open right now. So if you're applying for a bachelor's degree, what you need is your international passport. Okay? People call it international passport, but it's passport. You need your passport and you need your secondary school leaving certificate or your high school certificate. If you're applying for a master's degree program, you need your passport and you need your transcripts. Now, if you don't have a passport available while you're applying, you just need a form of identification. Any form of identification will do. People are going to ask me, what is the tuition range? Tuition range in Sweden is between 5,000 euros to 7,000 euros per semester. But Sweden is so good that they have a scholarship, which I will discuss later on, where you can get 30 to 100% discount. And you can apply for that scholarship as well. So quickly, before I tell you the gist of the day, I want you to share this video. Make sure you like, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you just share to as many friends as possible. I also want to tell you that there is a masterclass that I created just for you. A masterclass that you can buy that is very affordable, that will give you opportunities. You're in tech, you're looking for scholarships, you're looking for how to apply to jobs, you're an engineer, you're a teacher, you're a lawyer, you're in healthcare, you're in tech, you're looking to move to the United States for free. I got everything covered. You've applied for jobs, but they're not calling you. This masterclass has everything all. And I've created a special link in the description box of this video for you to be able to get that masterclass, okay? So go to the link and get the masterclass. Now, how do you apply? The most important thing that you need to do is be familiar with this website. This website is called universityadmissions.se. So go on Google and type universityadmissions.se. Open your browser and type that. So once you open the universityadmissions.se website, you would see the very beautiful website. Make sure you create an account just so that you can have access to it. But before you do that, take a look. It says apply to courses and programs in all of Sweden. We're applying for spring, so you can put all your courses, any courses you want. So let's say business management. I'll just put business management, and you can see it gives you suggestions. You can find the courses. Now you can do a master's in business studies, strategy and international management, analysis of business culture. These are not open. The one that's open right now is the master's in business studies, sustainable international business. That's the one. And if you click on show more, you would see that the first tuition installment is 56,000. The full tuition fee is 112,000 SEK, which is about 11,000 euros. Okay, and course starts in January. Language of instruction is English and it's full time. You can see, and you can go through all the courses as well. All right. Now that's the first thing I want to show you. If you go back to the home screen, you would see where you can find apply to masters, apply to bachelor's, dates and deadlines. So click on dates and deadlines. If you click on dates and deadlines and you click on spring semester dates, you will see all the application times. June, application round opens. 15th of August is your deadline. September is application fee deadline. And you see all the dates down up until January, where you start your semester. So if you know you want to be in Sweden by January, you have to apply now. All right. So let's go back up to try and apply. Let's go back to the home page to try and apply for one. Once you want to apply for studies, you log in after creating your account, log in, you search for your courses. The good thing about this website is that you can apply for 4 courses at a time. 4 courses at a time, and it's the same application fee. Okay, same application fee. So you search for your course and programs, you rank them in order of the rank of your selected courses. Okay, and the course you choose is super important in Sweden. So if you studied engineering, you cannot say you want to study finance as masters. No, what you studied in your undergrad must be related to what you want to study in your master's degree program. Now, once you rank your selections, you then provide the application documents that I've told you about. You pay your application fee. All right, it's a one-time application fee, and it's about 90 euros thereabout. It's 900 kroner, Swedish kroner, which is about 90 euros, and that's it for the 4 schools. All right, and boom, that's you wait until you get your admission. Now, once that is done and you've submitted your application, you have to wait for admission to come out. You get your admission deadline just following the dates that I've showed you on that table. And once you get it, it's time for you to apply for your visa.
Guys, why is it that you do not subscribe to my YouTube channel? Why? I'm providing information to help you move abroad, yet I find that so many people watch my videos, but they don't subscribe to it. Yes, when I check my analytics, I see that a lot of people use my videos, but they don't subscribe. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you drop comments so that I can interact with you and I can answer your questions. Okay, what should I do? What do you want me to do before should I kneel down? Should I beg you? Should I roll on the floor? I can do it easily. All right? We're just trying to help more people. So please just subscribe to my videos. Okay, share them. Let's help more people move abroad. Thank you.
Sweden is fantastic because you don't need to present at the embassy. You can submit your application online. All you need to do is visit the website called migrationsverket.se. Once you open the website, it's always good to create an account. Create an account, and you would see the tab that says apply for. Now you're applying for a resident permit for studies. You click on the residence permit for studies and you submit your application. So you need to submit your passport, you need to submit your letter of notification which you got after you got admission. Those two documents are very, very important. All right, and you can read through and find out other documents that you need to supply as well. You would also pay a visa fees of 100 euros, and you can book your appointment all on the website. It's important because you need to book an appointment to go to your biometrics, and it's all done through this website. So it's pretty amazing and pretty straightforward. So that's it, very easy. Sweden is open right now, and I think you should apply. So go ahead, use this video, share to as many people as possible, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope that you'll be in Sweden by January of 2025. I hope this video has been able to help 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. Till I see you again in another episode, another video. It's your one and only Wakawaka Doctor, and I'm signing out.